Is your home or business piling up with junk and stuff that you no longer need? What happens when the junk piles up and becomes overwhelming? Who can you call when a loved one passes and you need help to clean out their home? Junk Destroyers knows exactly what to do.
Junk Destroyers was created to take care of the local community and the junk destroying needs of people that live around us. Whether you're dealing with the death of a loved one or you have a lot of debris left over from renovation, things from your kid that no longer lives with you, or you just have some bulky items that you don't know what to do with. Junk Destroyers can solve all of your junk related problems. Every day we get surprised on what some of the things that people want to remove out of their place of business or their home. It can be as simple as a fridge or it can be a full office clean out. So give us a call and challenge us.
People hold on to stuff for many different reasons, whether it's sentimental, a piece that's been passed on through your family, or things that you just never want to throw out. We at Junk Destroyers understand when someone passes away, one of the hardest things to do is clear the house. That's where we come in and make your life easier by taking care of the things that you might not want to do. What sets Junk Destroyers apart from other companies is we're a family-owned company, and what matters most to us is customer service and being part of your family.
With our busy social and work obligations, clutter can quickly take over. Junk Destroyers will always be there for you, often on the same day.
At Junk Destroyers, we get you an estimate right away. The typical timeline from booking to completion can be done the same day or at the convenience of the customer. And if need be, emergency service as well.
Bulky, cumbersome, and heavy items can be quickly removed without causing any headaches for you or your family.
A lot of people think that they can handle this themselves. They typically underestimate the amount of effort and time that it takes to remove something out of their home or their place of business. The first thing that we'll do is assess the project. So before we start the job, we'll be fully prepared to tackle it the right way while protecting your home or your place of business. We offer a lot of specialized services, for example, hoarding cleanouts. A lot of times it's overwhelming, you don't even know where to start. So once we come in, we'll walk you through the process and make sure it's as seamless and easy as humanly possible.
When you hire Junk Destroyers, we guarantee you that the job is going to be done in a safe and clean manner. The process is very easy. We show up, we do our magic, and poof, your junk is gone. We treat your space like it's our home. When the job is done, we leave the house cleaner than it was before. The most challenging clean out we've ever had is probably, as you might guess, a hoarder house. Once we got it done, you would never be able to tell that a hoarder was living there.
Junk Destroyers are committed to protecting the environment, ensuring that items are properly disposed of or repurposed.
At Junk Destroyers, we'll take a lot of pride to make sure that items don't end up in a landfill if we can avoid it. So we'll work with local charities, we'll work with antique stores, we'll work with folks that can refinish items and give them a second life. We understand that you have a lot of options when it comes to removing things out of your home. With us, we're experts at junk removing, and we'll promise to keep you informed throughout the process, make it as simple and easy as possible, and keep the environment top of mind when disposing items.
Junk Destroyers makes it easy for you to get rid of your unwanted junk, saving you time, money, and hassle.
We had no idea what to do with all the stuff that we had, so we called Junk Destroyers. They are so easy to work with. They got everything done in a matter of hours. I was so happy when they left, and I couldn't believe how clean everything was.
So there's a lot of things that you have to keep in mind when thinking about getting things out of your home that you no longer need or want to discard.
The most important thing people should know is it's not as easy as just renting a trailer, loading it up, and going to the dump. There's a lot that goes into it, and obviously the safety and the health of our customers is very important.
People don't typically get rid of their stuff on a daily basis, right? So not knowing how to do it can take a lot of time, and we'll already have so much going on in their lives. And we want to spend time with our families. So there's just one less thing for you to worry about. Give us a call. We'll come out. We'll make sure that we take care of your home or your place of business, and you can enjoy the time that you deserve with your friends and your family.
To find out more about Junk Destroyers, visit junkdestroyers.com or designingspaces.tv.